Hello everyone and welcome to Delft Stack. If your Windows 11 PC is displaying an access violation at address error, it means an application attempted to read or write to an invalid memory location. I will show you how to bypass these memory restrictions and repair your system to help resolve this crash right now. Let's get started. First, Windows may be forcefully terminating your application due to strict memory protection policies. Press the Windows key, type Advanced System Settings, and press Enter to open the System Properties window. Click the Settings button under the Performance section and navigate to the Data Execution Prevention tab. Select Turn on DEP for all programs and services except those I select. Click Add to select your program's executable file and click Apply. Next, underlying corruption in your core Windows 11 system files can frequently trigger these memory access faults. Open your Start menu, type CMD, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type SFC /scan now and press Enter to allow the system file checker to scan and repair protected files. Once finished, type DISM /online /cleanup-image /restore health and press Enter to repair your Windows image. Finally, if software exceptions and system repairs do not resolve the issue, your physical RAM hardware may be struggling. Open your Start menu again, type Windows Memory Diagnostic, and click to launch the built-in system utility. Select the Restart Now and Check for Problems option to reboot your computer directly into the hardware testing screen. Allow the diagnostic tool to completely scan your memory modules to identify any potential hardware faults. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.